What's up guys, I'm Katie and today we're making protein ice cream. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below any recipes you'd like to see. Let's get started. We are starting with 1 cup of bananas. We're gonna throw in 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, a tablespoon of stevia or whatever sweetener you like to use. We're gonna do 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. 1, 2, and 3. And then of course, some chocolate chips. Last but not least, 2 scoops of level 1. All right, once you add everything in, we are gonna blend until smooth on high. All right, she looks thick, so we are gonna put her in the bowl. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. I think that's as much as I can get in there. So we are gonna put this in the freezer for 3 hours and then make some scoops. So now it's time to take our protein ice cream out of the freezer. I'm gonna run our ice cream scoop under a little bit of water just to make it easier. We are gonna be scooping out half of this mixture into our bowl. And there you have it, protein ice cream to satisfy your cravings. The macros are below. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next time.